very small chance. It could never say yes.
No.
You know, when your chances are down to 22%.
No. Yeah. Hopefully next one won't be so big and it'll be back in options.
And everything went well with the surgery.
Yeah, it was pretty smooth.
So, you're so numb and tingly and you don't feel anything. You know exactly what you're doing down there, and it's just weird that you don't feel any of it. So, just as well, yeah. I don't want to feel any of it, but yeah, a little surreal.
Wow. So you were imagining each step, were you?
Well, I was imagining I'd feel more, especially when, you push down and get the head and the shoulders. I would expect I'd be like,
Some people really.
I know. Or they flinch and everything.
Good. That's perfect.
Well, thank you.